Hello everyone, today we will admire the largest dump truck in the world today. It was announced by Guinness World Records in January 2014. Since then it has not been surpassed by any competitors. This car is named Belaz 75710. It is manufactured by OJSC Belaz, Belarusian Automobile Plant, a company based in Zhodino, in the region of the Belarusian capital, Minsk. It is a global player in making mining dump trucks for heavy loads and has a high load capacity as well as other types of heavy vehicles used in the mining and construction industry. Belaz 75710 is a true street monster. We are talking about the heaviest dump truck ever built, a dusty giant serving in the Russian oblast of Kemerovo in freezing Siberia. 3 are currently in service, all of which are employed in the coal mines of southwestern Siberia. This dump truck costs up to $6 million. The Belaz 75710 has a weight of about 360 tons, equivalent to the mass of more than 40 fully loaded buses. Its length is 20.60 meters, which is equal to the total length of 5 sedans. It has a height of almost 10 meters and a width of about 8 meters, almost equal to a 3-story house. The Belaz 75710 is a 2-axle dump truck with the highest rated load, 450 tons, and the largest, volume 645.4 cubic meters. When fully loaded, it can reach 810 tons. This massive loader far outstrips the nearest chasers Caterpillar, Liebherr, and Bucyrus. To make it possible is a combination of a wide range of design features. Vehicles with 8 wheels, compared to similar types, usually only have 6 wheels. Each tubeless tire can withstand 102 tons. The truck-mounted Michelin radial tubeless tire measures 59/80R63 and weighs 5.5 tons, the largest in the world at the time the truck was built. The diameter of each wheel is 4 meters, almost 3 times the height of an Asian woman. Wheel thickness up to 150 centimeters. Technical specifications of the powertrain are striking as well. It is in fact equipped with 2 MTU diesel engines, Rolls-Royce Group, 16 volts 4000 with 3440 kW of power that consumes the beauty of 953.3 liters/hour. In fact, the Siberian giant counts on a diesel-electric power unit, a bit like it happens on large ships or submarines. Physically, 4 electric motors propels the Belaz, but the brute force needed to move the 75710 is originally offered by 2 16V cylinders produced by the German MTU, capable of unleashing a total power of 4,600 horsepower. The 2 4-stroke V16s, obviously fueled by diesel, deliver more than 9,300 Nm each, which translates into a total torque of over 18,600 Nm, thanks above all to the insane displacement of 130,000 cc. A capable tank is required to feed the 2 huge V16s, and this is the case. The Belaz can carry a total of 5,600 liters of fuel, enough to travel around 430 kilometers. Speaking of vehicles like this, the consumption figure is merely indicative, since this value varies drastically depending on the conditions of use. On average, however, it can be said that the mega truck needs about 1,300 liters of diesel for every 100 kilometers. Traction is transmitted to both axles, on which 4 pairs of 63-inch wheels are mounted, all of which are steered. The maximum speed, at full load, the Cyclops born in Belarus can go up to 40 km/h, but with an empty body, the speed tip is even 64 km/h. Because it is a vehicle manufactured to transport heavy goods, the area for the cockpit is very limited. It can only accommodate 2 people, a main driver and a co-driver. However, the manufacturer is still equipped with modern systems to ensure driver safety, including automatic firefighting system, warning system, panoramic camera system. On the day of the launch of the first Belaz 75,710, the president of Belarus, Alexander Lukashenko, attended the ribbon-cutting ceremony and personally test drove this giant car, and he was very interested and admired the engineering team of the factory. Built the world's largest dump truck.
Самое главное, наверное, человек, который стоял в истоках создания этой чудесной машины, Егор Александрович.